Hello. Welcome to this quick template walkthrough. I got some new stuff for people, which is great. Plenty more coming in 2025. So I've taken a bit of time over the holidays to start experimenting with Michael Brauer's kind of, multi-brush or Braunerzing, I suppose is what he calls it. And as I was sort of doing some research, I thought this would be a cool thing to just give out for people because it's handy. Over the top here, let's walk through this template. We've got our standard group folders. Obviously, you're going to need Pro Tools for this, but you can insert your audio tracks right here. Lead vocals, backing vocals, drum bus. Here I've got a couple of examples. I'll come back to those in a sec and how you can do your routing. We're going to talk about that. Bass group, guitar group. You can switch that out for whatever music you're working on, keys, and then other things as well. And then down the bottom here, I've got effects routing. I just went with 6, just to keep it easy. Room, hall, plate, classics, some sort of slap, eighth note, and quarter. Actually, I lied. It's 7. And then I got space echo here as well. It's cool, vibey sort of thing. If we come down here, we've got additional compressors. There's a little bit of confusing information about how he kind of approaches this, but I'm going to talk you through that in a second. I'll just walk you through this. So additional compression channels. Then we've got our A, B, C, D bus, and to our master and print track. So how does this fit together? Basically, how it seems like the sensible way to do this is actually to use a blank bus on your output. So it actually goes to nowhere. And then we use a series of sends. I've labeled everything here. It should come through. If you have any problems, let me know and I'll send you the IO template as well, but it should come through in the download folder. Here we've got an A bus, B bus, C bus, and a D bus. What I did, just to keep things easy, A, B, C, D, and then I have corresponding. So up top here, we just zeroed this out. If you're using mono channels, obviously, that's something to think about. So that would route to down here. So the general approach is splitting up content across a variety of different compressors, and then doing minimal compression on all, and then that's you're gonna kind of mix into multiple compressors essentially. So we've got A bus, B bus, C, and D. The only major difference between this is the D bus is kind of more of effects, and then we've got a width knob on there as well. I've calibrated all of these to this here. If you don't have a Waves VU meter, totally fine, just get one, or some sort of free sort of VU meter, and then it's calibrated to 18, right? So you can see this here. There's a signal generator included, which is pretty handy. Now, in terms of plugins, what I've done is I kept it all Slate. So for this to work, you would need your Slate digital bundle and then your Protools template as well. I'm not affiliated with either of those companies, but I should be because, this thing's handy. But I kind of try to set up in a way where it's a good learning tool and you can kind of use it on your own projects. So we've got a Verimue style compressor. These are calibrated to sort of 1 dB start point. 1, 2, 3 here. It seems to use a distressor plus some sort of distortion. Again, adjust attack and release to kind of fit, and there's a saturation curve there you can add in afterwards. Down here we've got another Verimue width knob. You can swap these out for whatever you like. These are just sort of options. You've got your calibration here, which is cool. On this seems to be an optional one. This is obviously like an SSL comp compressor, so you can use that if you choose to. Some of the stuff he works with Avalon 737 for color tone rather than specific more compression after the fact. So you can see all of that stuff. In terms of these, we've got one 1176 in mono, a second in mono. We've got a verse Vox. Sometimes you can obviously just compress that. There's kind of 2 options there you can use. And then another one as well. Just giving you an LA2A option as well. So you can experiment with these. It's more an approach than an exact system in terms of using multi-stage compression and kind of bussing stuff down. All your effects run through there. Again, Pro Tools specific template. So stock plugins. This is from Slate as well. This is cool. I actually really rate this. I think this is a really good emulation. We've got a bunch of features that aren't on the original. I went with Blue Room, big favorite of mine. Auto Park, if you want to copy the settings, if you've got some sort of 480, that would be a good start point. And then over here, I've got a BM7 vocal plate as well. So adjust those to taste, but all Slate all the time. Here you can route your A and B bus as well as your 1176 options. So kick and snare for parallel type of situation. So hopefully you can experiment with that. You don't have too many problems. If you're looking into this, you probably got some experience with mixing. So this has just kind of done a bit of legwork for you. Cool. I will see you in the next video.